Hi everyone, welcome friends to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can add highlights or favorite stories to Instagram without publishing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put likes under this video, also write comments after watching. Well friends, let us get down to our topic. Open the Instagram app on your device. If you would like to add yourself highlights or favorite stories that will top all your posts, will always be with you. You'll need to tap on the plus sign at the bottom to do so, and then select the Stories section. Then take a photo or select a photo from the gallery. Next, friends, please click on the arrow and then click on the Best Friends section. And here select one person. It might be your Simply second page or your best friend or perhaps just a page, even though you're not subscribed to. After which click Please Publish for one and right at the top you can add to favorites. Click on that option. After which you can add the story to the highlights that you have, or create a new one. To do that, click on the plus sign. Name your new highlights in some way. Click Add. And done. Then wait for yours to post and fully load. When it loads, you'll be able to see that on your account it's either added to your highlights that you already have, or to the new highlights on your page. That's the very simple method you can add highlights to Instagram without posting a story. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Don't forget, friends, please subscribe to the channel and make sure to like it. See you.